So we are going to take question number 9. We say the sum of the LCM, of 4, 6, and 8, and the ACF of 8 and 12 is dash. These are the options A. The options are A 28, B A 28, B we have 24, C 20, D. So the sum of the LCM of 4, 6, and 8 and the ACF of 8 and 12 is A 28, B 24, C 20, D 18, E 15. So the first thing you do is, now the major thing you must observe in this question is what the language sum. Sum means what? Plus, addition. You are going to look for what? The LCM of 4, 6, and 8. Keep it separate. You look for the ACF of 8 and 12. Keep it separate. Then you now add both of them together. That will give you what? The answer. The answer must be in this what? Option. Alright, let's proceed. Solution. Okay. The LCM of 4, 6, and 8. LCM of 4, 6, and 8. Alright, LCM of 4, 6, and 8. You know the usual format as I taught you. You have 4, you have 6, you have 8. Alright, so what can you divide? What is the lowest number you can use to divide these numbers? Can 2 go? Can 2 divide any of these numbers? Yes, 2 can divide the numbers. Almost for the 3 numbers. So say 2. 4 divided by 2 gives us 2. 6 divided by 2 gives us 3. And 8 divided by 2 gives us 4. 8 divided by 2 gives us 4. Alright, what can go again? What can divide again? Can 2 go? Yes, you have 2 already, and you also have 4. They are even numbers. So 2 divided by 2 gives us 1. 3 divided by 2, it cannot. So you bring it down. Alright, 4 divided by 2 gives us 2. Okay, you have 1, 2, 3. What can go again? Students, what can go again? Okay, 2 can go. 1 divided by 2, bring down your 1. 3 divided by 2, it cannot. Bring down what? Your 3. 2 divided by 2 gives you 1. Okay, so you have 1, 1. They are what? In their lowest term. You have 3 left. Now, what can go again is 3. 3, here 1. 3, here 1. And then 1. Okay, so your LCM here becomes LCM of 4, 6, and 8. 4, 6, and 8. LCM of 4, 6, and 8. This gives us equal to 2 times 2 times 2, 2 times 2 times 2, 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2 gives us what? 4. 2 times 2 gives us 4. 4 times 2 gives us 8. 4 times 2 gives us 8. 8 times 3 will give us what? 24. 8 times 3 gives us 24. Okay, now we got 24 as our LCM. Then we'll now go on to obtain our ACF. The ACF of 8 and 12. Okay, so the ACF, let me clean it so I have space. You now clean. So the ACF of 8 and ACF of 8 and 12. Don't forget what we got as our ACF is what? 24. Write down somewhere. Circle it. Now you have 8 and 12 as you want to obtain what? The ACF. Now I told you when we were doing ACF that the first thing to do is to obtain what? The what? Factors. To obtain the factors. Now you have 8. What can go? 2. 2 here. You have what? 2. 2 here you have 4. What can go? 2. 2 here you have 2. 2 here you have 1. Okay. So the ACF, the factors of what? 8 are what? 2, 2, 2. 2 times 2, 4 times 2. 8. Which is 8 here. Okay. Then the factors of what? 12. Okay. Here, what can go? 2. 2 can go. 2 into 12 into what? 12 by what? 2 gives us 6. What can go? 2 again? 2. 6 by 2 gives us 3. Alright. So, what can go again? 3. 2 cannot go. 3. 3 into 3 gives us 1. So, these are what the factors of what? The factors of what? 12. So, you now come the ACF of 8 and 12 is equals to, now you now say you have for 8 is equals to 2 times 2 times 2. For 12 is equals to 2 times 2 times what? 2 times 2 times what? 3. 2 times 2, 4 times 3, you have 12. So to pick the ACF, the common numbers, as I taught you, the common numbers, circle it as I taught you, and 2 and 3, they are not common. So our ACF becomes what? 2 and what? 2 here, which is what? 2 times 2, which is equal to what? 4. Okay, so this is our ACF. Alright. So we've successfully obtained our ACF, which is what? 4. So, and then remember that our LCM is what? 24. Our LCM is 24. So now the question said the sum of the LCM. So you have that the sum of LCM and ACF and ACF. Sum means plus. I think that sum means plus. Yeah, which means that LCM plus ACF will give us what? The answer. Alright, so look, now you have that our LCM as we obtained is for 24 plus our ACF, we obtained it now as 4. Yes, as 4. Now getting the sum now, we add 24 plus 4 will give us what? 28. Okay, so looking at this question now, with the option given, our answer is 28. Now you go and look for the option that corresponds to your answer. Watch, A is 28, B is 24, and C 20. So what's our answer? Our answer is what? 28. And this is A. You take A, which is what? 28.